2018 GMC Terrain. New, smaller, and better, but several rough edges compromise its value. Totally overhauled for the 2018 model year, the second-age GMC Terrain exchanges the earlier model's blocky styling and accessible V6 motor for svelte, yet to some degree polarizing, looks and a trio of turbocharged 4-barrel motors, including a fuel-proficient turbo diesel. Out and about, the Terrain organizes comfort over driver engagement, and its refined case gives the smooth quietness of an extravagance vehicle. Highs. Fascinating looks, flexible inside, strong powertrains. Low. Bizarre shifter, ordinary inside materials and assemble quality, expensive. Decision. An adequate minimal hybrid that is let down essentially by its robust cost. In spite of the fact that its wheelbase has contracted by 5.2 inches, the new Terrain remains astonishingly large. Its inside form quality, in any case, comes up short, and its offer is sullied by estimating that puts it at the costlier end of the reduced hybrid section. What's new for 2018? Everything. The Terrain is totally updated for 2018. Littler and lighter than its ancestor, the most recent Terrain is estimated to contend straightforwardly in the smaller hybrid section. The earlier Terrain fell halfway between the minimized and fair size classes. Going with its upgraded undercarriage and new styling are a trio of turbocharged 4-barrel motors. A 170 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 is standard, and customers can choose either a 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 or a 137 horsepower turbo diesel 1.6-liter inline-4. Trims and options we choose. GMC charges a beautiful penny to buy a Terrain with respect to its opposition, which is the reason our optimal Terrain would be the lower-level SLE show, estimated at $28,895, include $1,700 for all-wheel drive, which incorporates such comforts as a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment framework, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto similarity, a nearness key with push-catch begin, high-power release headlamps. Over the suite include the $890 Driver Alert Bundle, which incorporates a blind side screen, raised cross-movement caution, raised stopping sensors, and warmed outside mirrors. Picking the Driver Alert Bundle, however, requires additionally checking the container for the $1,375 Driver Convenience Bundle, control driver seat, warmed front seats, remote begin, double-zone programmed atmosphere control, and rooftop rails. At last, we'd additionally include the power programmable back liftgate, $400, bringing the aggregate cost of our Summit White Terrain, every single other shading add $395 or $495 to the bill, up to $31,160.